Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with an Echo Park What Did I Receive? This one was basically a mystery box. I did receive this one last week and I haven't had time to record, so I am finally recording and I was so excited. You guys, I'm loving the Echo Park mystery boxes. There are some papers that I would have never thought of, but am forced to play with. And yeah, anyways, anyways, they do have this every so often, and I went ahead and got it. And of course, I always get it with the thought in mind that I'm always going to get Christmas or fall. Okay. So yeah, I opened it and I was really surprised to have seen summer items, and I did get a winter item. And you guys, it's still somehow the brads. Some of these items still go along with it so well. And when I got it, I just started laughing, you guys. The reason was because me and Tree, of course, you guys know, are hosting a summer beach Christmas beach swap. Oh my goodness, not summer, Christmas beach swap. And this is the third year we're hosting it. And you guys, we did change, if you guys are still interested, we did change the due date to late August. It's going to be due late August, not June. I don't know what was going on. Anyway, so yeah, so let me show you what I ended up getting. And if you guys are interested in joining our swap, you know, you guys are welcome to IG or email me, and I will link the video down on the description below. And I do apologize for, yeah, anyways. So here, let's go ahead and start again. Here you go. So winter brats and chipboard pieces. Also, actually, it's chipboard. It's not all brads. Awesome. So yeah, so there you go. You have the summer vibes, and I love these colors. These are more of a, oh my goodness, I don't know how you would define the colors, like old kind of style, but it's so cute. I like it, and I would have never thought of getting something like this to use. This was another odd thing that was in here. It's Plant Lady. And it's funny, it's just funny, another funny one. But the colors go well, so I'm assuming that they kind of like try to cater to color coordination. So I did show you guys that. And then it also had the Summer Vibes chipboard, which is so cute, you guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So you have 2 items that go along with that. I also ended up getting the Summer Vibes puffy stickers. It's cute. Oh my goodness. OMG. So, and then the Summer Vibes ephemera. So as you guys can see, here is the ephemera. Okay, I'm not gonna open it because basically you guys can see it all here, but aren't they cute? And then of course the one that was different, it is the Endless Summer. So yeah, this was with more vibrant colors, which I was like, oh okay, but this one kind of went well with this one as well. So you guys can see, this is Endless Summer and this is Pool Party. So yay, how cute is that? I love it, love it. I love that it has all the it has the double-sided papers, it has the stickers. Here's the stickers in the back. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. And then you also have the best summer ever. I'm not too sure if you guys have seen other crafters unbox the Echo Mini mystery box that they received, and like I said, I was very surprised to have gotten summer items. I was like expecting a lot more Christmas, fall, maybe Easter stuff, but this was a very awesome surprise, and I don't know if I'm going to use this for this summer, but you guys, thank you for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.